Question 21. A parallel circuit consists of what? Answer. Current can flow through more than one path. Question 22. The oxygen cylinder's valves must be opened. Answer. Fully opened. Question 23. Ice floats on water due to the fact that, answer, it is less dense than water. Question 24. What is the term for the chemical combination of two or more elements? Answer, compound. Question 25. For electrical fires, what sort of fire extinguisher should be used? Answer, Class C. Question 26. All users of a product must be supplied with information on its hazards as mandated by federal law. What form is utilized to provide this information? Answer, Material Safety Data Sheet, MSDS. Question 27. Which of the following is a purpose of lockout devices? Answer, keep affected personnel from being injured by machinery that may be activated by mistake. Question 28. When pressure increases, the boiling point of water will? Answer, increase. Question 29. How is an ammeter connected to an electrical circuit? Answer, in series with load. Question 30. To protect molten metal, from which of the following are shielding gases employed? Answer, porosity and brittleness. Question 31. What is the estimated temperature range for storing low hydrogen electrodes in a rod oven? Answer, 30 degrees Celsius to 140 degrees Celsius, or 85 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit above the ambient temperature. Question 32. What sort of PAC torch is used most often in industry? Answer, air gas PAC torches. Question 33. Which of the following prevents the crane block from ascending? Answer, upper limit switch. Question 34. What wood provide the least protection against sparks and slag while cutting with an oxy-fuel torch? Answer, polyester. Question 35. Which sort of sketch depicts all dimensions and the finished product? Answer, detail. Question 36. Which of the following describes the pitch of a fastener? Answer, amount of threads per inch. Question 37. What is the most important reason for preheating large portions before welding? Answer, reduce the quenching effect and remove hydrogen. Question 38. The maximum cable length for which kind of GMAW wire drive system is 15 feet? Answer, push type. Question 39. What instrument would provide the most precise measurement for determining the wall thickness of pipe? Answer, vernier calipers. Question 40. What causes a thin, high bead with SMAWing? Answer, too short an arc length.